Greetings from Snake Mountain Boatworks on Friday, September 17, 2021. This is a little different, huh? This is our 1959 16.5 foot Lyman Runabout that has made major progress since we last updated you on her. So let's do a walk around and see what's happened, what still has to happen. One of the obvious things is her rub rails must go on her splash rail and gunnels. The exterior paint, we always use Interlux semi-gloss white on Lyman hulls. I know that some of you have commented you don't like white boats. Well, that's too bad. I guess you just don't own a Lyman. So we've got one last pass of sanding and cleaning to do on the outside, and then we'll apply a couple of final coats. It's really pretty tough to keep that white paint perfectly clean while we're doing a host of other things. And then I thought you'd enjoy seeing the fruits of Fran Secor's labor. Fran has completely rebuilt and cosmetically restored this 1960 Evinrude Lark III 40 horsepower outboard. She just is a perfect match for this hull. The work he's done, that green is the OEM color. Fran is now restoring both the junction box and the engine controls. We have a bit of final cleanup, a little brushing up, a little buffing to do on the bright work. We had one corner here that was fine and seemed to be perfect, and it turned out that it had a long-term split all the way down that we could not see on the exterior, and one of us bumped it and it just came apart. So we'll be refabricating that. But the rest of her bright work has just come out beautifully. Soon we'll be able to start installing deck hardware. We're still in communication with her owner on exactly how much deck hardware he and his family would like us to install. While we did the floorboards as they properly should be in a Lyman Runabout, that is Lyman Santan bilge paint, the rest of the interior of the hull is and will remain bright. So the biggest challenge we have left is to go through here, do a final cleaning on the inside surfaces of all of these strakes and ribs, and apply several coats of Sikkens Cetol Marine. But other than that, hooking up our engine, we're pretty close to the finish line. So that's our update on Friday, September 17, 2021, on our 1959 16.5 foot Lyman Runabout. Thank you so much. And before I say bye-bye, don't forget to click on Show More, the Show More link right at the bottom of this video screen, to have the benefit of the detailed narrative I write for every one of these videos. At that, bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boatworks.